In this video, I will show you how you can use the interrupt in the PSPL communication. In this project, I'm using two GPIOs, one for buttons, one for LEDs. Both are 4 bits. Okay. Now I want to interrupt the PS with using these push buttons. So I connected with the default push buttons. Okay, and here the Zynq, here I have enabled this PLPS interrupt configuration. To that I have generated the bit string, and here I have assigned the push buttons and LEDs respective to the FPGA pins. To that I have exported this project to the SDK. Here you can see that this is the same Xort project. I exported here and written this code for interrupt handling. This code is fully commented. As you can see, all parameter defined. These are the IDs and these are the instance. This is interrupt controller handler, and this basically call the CPU for any generic interrupt control. This basically integrate our GPIO with CPU for interruption. And this is our main code where we check the status of the interrupts. And here we are printing something, some inside loop just to check and verify the interrupt behavior. So I will just run here. Here it's run again and start loop from here. Whenever I will press any push button, it will go to the interrupt mode. For example, push button 0, I press it. Now it push button 0 press, and it print the status from here that push button 0 pressed. Push button 2 is basically push button 2 is indexes 1, 3 and 4. There are 4 push buttons on my Zybo. So we can see that here I'm using the Zybo Z7000, and it's continuously in the loop until I interrupt the loop. It goes for the interrupt condition and come back again to the plotting inside this for loop. Here it goes back to the loop after interrupt handling completion.